Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So today I just want to explain to you why I don't like having a chat function on the website. Now, basically this is because I believe in customer retention, which is really important. You've got someone on your website, you want them to stick with your company. So when you've got any form of web chat, if it's manned by a human being, they're not always going to be able to respond to whatever query a person puts in. If you've got a bot, it may respond incorrectly. Let's say it's AI, it could respond really incorrectly. I've had AI chatbots actually be able to talk to me about Dragon Ball Z when I've tested them, which is really, really concerning. But when it comes down to it, I like to have a contact form right at the top of the home page so that people can easily get in contact with the company, because what happens is people see that there's a contact form, they enter their details if they want the company to get back to them, and then bam, they're off the site. That's then done because they're waiting for you to contact them. They become a hot lead. But if you've got a chat function that's in place and you are not you're not answering those chats, you're going to lose people. If you've got a robot answering chats, you're going to lose people. So it can really, really alienate customers. So the most important thing for me, at least, is to make sure those customers stay on your site and they're with you for a reason. That's because they found you. So you don't want to ideally lose them. Anyway, that's my 2 cents on the subject. Hope it helps. Bye.